Ekiri radio. Ekiri radio. Ekiri radio. Abasulo lo ye. Abasulo lo ye. Ona isong. Isong. Imani song. Abasedi on frewo. Moya itetie. We come about sike. Whether you know onion. So we don't want to stretch and overstretch. Me recognize that Fre was city team in fun. Tonga deputy governor, a Fre executive team, legislative team, judiciary, party members across party line, our party chairman, the APC, and we have seen the deputy chairman of the PDP, we have seen the chairman of IPAC. This is a state event. It's beyond one party. And we thank God we continue to see that collaboration. We must distinguish between a party affair and a state affair. And that's what we continue to see. We thank our elders. Elder Andrew is saying, our fathers in faith. We thank our traditional fathers with their wives. We thank the traditional institutions. We want to acknowledge you. Let me thank you for the overwhelming welcome back to oh my God. Sorry, back to Eket. I know Nsurubium and Uyo Federal Constituency is the constituency of my birth. But Eket Federal Constituency is the constituency of my rebirth. And so there's a difference between your land of birth and land of rebirth. It is in this land that I cut my teeth in business. And you have been good to us. I left from here to Uyo. We campaigned from here. We elected governor from here. And we moved to Uyo from here to occupy the government house as tenant. And to here we will return. Amen. Because this is where we come from. So we thank you. I'm not surprised. I'm overwhelmed by your welcome. I've been briefed that you have been here since 9 a.m. I'm sorry that the leaders brought you out so early. But I'm overwhelmed. And I know to whom much is given, much is expected. So you can never be forgotten. This is your government. And we thank you. I've received the needs assessment. I will look at it. We'll look at it. You'll see it in our 2026 budget. We will pick those needs. I'm not promising all, but we'll pick them based on availability of funds. But just like we promised about funds Rubium and Etinan, I believe Eket deserves another Abaradit too. And we are doing the best we can. If you look at this program, we have several projects that we have embarked on in this federal constituency. There are over 70 projects in 2 years. There are still more to be done. We are going to do more. And that's what we are doing across all of the states, providing jobs for our young people, ensuring that we can try to accommodate them and chart a new course for them. Just this afternoon, I've ordered or directed the Commissioner for Trade and Investment to assist one of our physically challenged young men who has presented to me some of his products. He's a shoemaker. We need to go and try to make sure we know his needs and help him out. If that young man, the way he is, can find something to do and present something to the governor, you don't have an excuse. All over the state, we are building, there are projects in every city, every local government. Eket, we are soon starting a sports academy. We are working in all of the local governments here. Please find something to do and register on the portal. Let me appreciate you for the gift that you have given to us today, from the men, from the women, and we thank you. Even the community of non-indigens that reside in Eket Federal Constituency, we thank you. We want to say that we continue to work closely with all of our leaders. And let me say here and now, we are in Eket Federal Constituency. My political father comes from this federal constituency. Let me make it abundantly clear that there is no issue between me and my political father. No issue whatsoever. We have moved in the best interest of Akwa Ibom State for today, so that we can pool our support for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. That does not cause any confusion. I visit him, I talk with him, and we are still together. I'm his political son. He brought me out to run for governor. And so he will always earn our respect, our support, and I'd like to make that assurance to our people, and particularly our sons and daughters from Ona. If anybody tries to insult him, you are doing so at your peril. He's still our father and will continue to earn our respect. During the speech of the Honorable Commissioner for Local Government, the Dean of Commissioners, he talked about the beach. We are partnering and looking for investors. But please, our brothers and sisters from Ibno that runs, and all of the communities that run the longest beach in West Africa, we must be ready to allow investors to come in. It is one thing to bring investors. It is another thing for us to allow those investors to settle down. For the Akwa River Hotel, that hotel was given to a private investor by the government. We are now in court trying to reclaim that property because the time and the tenure for that property to be developed has expired, and government wants to reclaim that property back. There are two ways to settle the issue. Either we continue in court and we wait for the judgment, or the community can call the family and have an out-of-court settlement. The moment we do that and that place is handed back to the government, I promise you, within 6 months, we will start a 5-star hotel in that place. You see me, the governor, say down to governor, but at that time, you got to do your quaragit. So, finally, let me say, since we are in a federal constituency, and our mother, Archbishop Eline Swene, said something, we are all of one parent. Eket, Ona, Ibno, all of one parent. There was a time when this local government was one local government. So there's no need to fight. I want to say, please, concerning the Stop Creek, I want to appeal to our people to please exercise restraint and caution. By law, the Stop Creek is a forest reserve, and government has taken it over. What we want to do now is to set up a committee that I will chair personally. On government side, the deputy governor will be a member. The speaker will be a member. The attorney general will be a member. And then we will take two from the two communities. We will take members so we can sit and have full deliberation. And please, that deliberation will be under a very congenial atmosphere. We are going to bring the whole map of the Stop Creek. But for now, let me say, the committee, we will not allow any shanty or any unapproved building on the Stop Creek. It is a forest reserve. If you have put anything there without proper government approval, please hear from me direct now. We will pull it down. I'm not asking anybody to go and pull it down for us. We will move from that committee and we'll pull it down. And where there are compensations to be paid, we will sit down in the committee and know the direction of the compensation. And everybody will be involved. Ikidoti dikrison, idibakba ikbonison, sombok, anwane song. Adiyombo kiki benem konte keridi, awidi benem konte keri. Don't let anyone instigate you. Please. Government has a right to take over any land. What government owes the community is adequate compensation. And we will do it. In the next 2 weeks, we will announce the full composition of that committee so that we can meet and talk and bring an end to this fight among brothers, among in-laws, among families. We have to stop it. Let's work together. Let's bring development to that Stop Creek so that it can benefit all of us and our children and our children's children. We're interested in creating jobs. We're interested in bringing investors. We are not interested in fight. So I'd like to thank you. Let me thank you for this mammoth crowd that you have received us today. You have proven that came into Eket, and I'm happy to come from here. So please, the commissioners of the federal constituencies, the chairman of the federal constituencies, we are going to leave you with an envelope. Because of this crowd, you have to make sure you take care of the women, take care of the female youths. On behalf of the APC, on behalf of the APC, I know the state is gathered here, but we have an announcement on behalf of the APC. From Monday the 4th all of us who have moved progressively will go to your ward. We are beginning to update the party register. Each ward, we must go to our ward center. Ward center. No ward chairman should ask anybody to come to his house to register. All of our ward have a ward center. The chairman of the party will see you so as to do the needful. Yem ward center. Yaika, the good koro will body you fuck me. I say, how is your house? You cannot carry the whole party. Where do you funk for? Usong yen kedo. Don't get party and you need hear me. You need to hear kind song me 1 yen. Ka party center. Tiedo. Eya disrenyang. Ami ya nunca center me. Kikorok benudo. Nunca srenyang. Afre freak bo wo me. Ika irong. Emaika. Enamayen du soro. Enam the carnival. Commissioner Bedi Center. Inaman the commissioner. No, you know my son. Special advisor Bedi Center. If them for in a Kenyan. No, you know my son. Look, this is a ward leader. Ward PA. Where's that paper? Ward PA code now. Ayara Johnson. Ayara Johnson. Ward PA. Aso Sarah. At the paper hole. Aso Sarah. I know exercise book. Ward PA. Adim Bonomi. Is he here? Is Ayara Johnson here? Come. He's doing photography. Ward PA Nawami. God will bless you. God will bless you. I'm promoting you from Ward PA to personal assistant to the government. If you send a young man like this somewhere, it will represent me well. What PO, my phone come on, Bible, I was all complain. Usuk personal assistant, it's all idea 1 million naira. It's all over here, send namu no. Adriel borehole, Kikotnbo, Ikwe village. Is that true? I donate brand new generator and our community. Is that true? School bags to primary school pupils. Is that true? I don't want PO. I get the idea at 250. Ikbeneke increased to 500. I saw there 1 million. I saw the governor here said I'm no. I can video itiem photo get parawa mi ebi riben. Because Umaudi am farabong anam sompa thank what he has done well. So they essay to the governor, Arieke board member, Arieke honorary special assistant to the governor. I mean yes, and from Monday, I'm at the registration. Nam non yo. Kebasiebo, Kaya Ibom, Enam Biofen. A so idea government, a so I will go with the idea. How about I walk out for ta. I was saying, Kamika, Asan. A favorite commissioner, Sammy. Made your picture on the Fida get here. Yeah, I say picture on the Fida. So, from Monday, Kawara for Teo, Kamido Ndia, swag, APC!
Progress!
APC!
Progress!
APC!
Akwa Ibom United!
I was saying,